Shenzhen Yogurt Show Company belongs to Shenzhen Yizexin Technology Co. Limited, located in Shenzhen, China. With acrylic, PVC, metal as raw materials. The production of keychain, standee, badges, card sets, fridge magnet, photo frames and other spin-offs goods. Mainly spin-offs for animation, games, sports customers to produce. We have large professional Heidelberg printing equipment, hundreds of acrylic CNC cutting equipment, laser cutting equipment, pressing equipment, PVC automatic glue dropping equipment, PVC baking equipment, injection molding equipment, etc. Able to meet all production needs. Fast delivery, cycle and quality products for customers. We have more than 40,000 square meters of production area and more than 900 skilled production staff. Has 50 professional R&D team members, as well as a business sales team with rich experience. We can confidently promise our customers that all of our products will be of high quality, and we can also provide technical solutions, from new products to delivery goods. Process and report to you the orders from production to delivery. Welcome to Book Visits Factory and free get sample and experience share. We believe that all business starts with communication and continues to develop under the premise of mutual profit and mutual growth.